Oh my gosh. I just came back from Beauty and the Beast and it was so good. I have not cried like that in a long time, and hi! I haven't cried like that in a long time. You have to see it. The CGI was really good. What's her name? Emma. Sorry. Emma Watson was phenomenal. The Beast, pardon me if I don't know their names. The Beast was amazing. Emma Thomas was, I don't want to say who she was. You'll be surprised. Emma Thompson's in it. Kevin Kline is in it. Oh my gosh. You will recognize some of the actors in the movie. But the CGI, again, was amazing. The storyline was amazing. Gaston, there was a couple of parts in there that were so funny. I was laughing my butt off. And it was a long movie. Long movie. 2 hours. So, I recommend bringing a blanket and a pillow. We didn't watched in like a really nice environment like the Cinépolis, but it's a movie I would probably watch again, and I normally don't do that. Another movie I want to see is Kong, and Despicable Me 3. Oh my gosh, that was a really cool preview. Pirates of the Caribbean. Transformers. What else? Wonder Woman. That is a must-see movie. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see those. We are ready for Easter. I'm on spring break currently. We have the sakura up. Isn't this a lovely tablescape? Really cute. This is our tablescape. And whoa, cheese here. Anyways, that was my my review of Beauty and the Beast. And after a movie, don't you get kind of tired? I feel exhausted. I feel like mentally exhausted after I watch a movie. So, to bring up Beauty and the Beast, I wanted to share something with you. Hold on. Da 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 da. Oh no. Look it. Look it. Hold on. Alexa, turn on downstairs lights. Look at this. Look at. It's Chip from the movie Beauty and the Beast. He's in there. And Mrs. Potts. I keep them in there because they were autographed by the original voiceover actress from Beauty and the Beast, the original cartoon movie. And I thought I heard her voice singing in the very beginning. Is that Emma Watson's, is it Emma Watson? Emma Watson's voice singing? Was that really her, or was that the original Belle? Really? Oh my gosh. Sounded just like the original actress that sung Beauty and the Beast in the cartoon movie. I was thinking they wouldn't do that, would they? They wouldn't do that. But anyways, having my little Maui Caramax my mom got me. No, let's do the unboxing right now because I have time. Anyways, Oh, sorry.
We got 3 squishies from Sanrio by Jubilee yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yesterday. And they're all really slow rising. So the first one, I'm going to go biggest to smallest. So it's a marshmallow rabbit or bunny from Kiba Green.
Have you opened it yet?
Yes, only one still. Packaging. Here's it back. I don't know how much this was. I think it was $10.
Mm-hmm.
Think so. Okay, let's go.
Wow. That is slow rising.
For a small one, it's slow rising. It smells like fruits. Seriously.
Seriously, it smells so good when
I
it's
wanna
new.
eat it.
And I don't know what it is, but squishies kind of feel moist. Don't you think? Like there's water in it.
Kind of feels like
Like
a
it's-
water squishy.
Yeah, like it's water.
Like,
Right?
okay, that was that one. And then we got a Pokeball. A Pokemon squishy. This one is by Vlampo. You can't see it. Vlampo. And it says slow rising. And the back is just back. I think this was $7? $10?
Oh, that's pretty good.
Okay, so let's push in packaging first. You can't see it. Time to take it out. And it's super light. It's super light.
Okay.
It's like a ball.
Mm.
Yeah, it's upside down. Super squishy for a really small one too.
Usually they're not.
Yeah. Is it like bouncy?
Mm-hmm.
No, not really. Okay. Next one. It's flipped, but it's a burger. And it's super cute. It's by Vlampo again. And then here's the top. It says burgers. And then the burger. It says natural ingredient, slow rising, squishy. On the front, it says burgers, and it said 100% satisfaction. It says try it, and then best in town. On this side, there's a picture. All right. Then we have a ketchup, a burger. What are you doing now?
The rug. Okay.
Okay, so we have a, that's a sausage, a burger, and what is that?
A piece of steak?
A piece of meat? Okay.
Is
It
that a
says
steak? Really?
join us.
Are we gonna get the steak?
And then it just says burgers, and it says like, do not eat this. And then on this side, it's a girl eating a burger. Okay. So, this smells like styrofoam. Like foam.
No, it doesn't. It smells,
smells
like
like-
peanut butter.
Ew, I don't like peanut butter. I'm allergic. It smells like
Peanut butter.
if you have like a foam pillow and then you smell it, it smells like that.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, it just smells like foam. Nothing.
Foam.
But it smells
No, it
like
smells like peanut butter.
really good.
I want to eat it. Ah.
Okay, ready? 1, 2.
2, 3.
Do you want to do a squishy test on the
Okay,
rabbit?
look. Okay, when it goes back into its place, it looks like a Big Mac. When you put it, and when you squish it, it becomes a hamburger.
Now it becomes a big. This is not done yet. What is this white thing?
Mayonnaise.
Really? Why is there so much? It's like a whole layer of mayonnaise.
That's how I eat my hamburger.
I don't like a lot of mayo.
I do.
I don't even put mayo on my hamburger.
I do.
I'm gonna do a squishy test on the rabbit and this one. Okay, you do one.
Okay. Ready?
Set.
1,
2, 3.
2. Okay, ready? Let's see which one goes fastest. What is the company name? Are they the same?
Hebrew versus Lampo.
Okay, ready? Go. The same.
No, it's not done yet. Yours is done.
No, it had a dent. Who won?
I think I did. Because it's still going.
Okay, which one is this best smelling?
Smells like nothing.
That's something, a little bit. Okay. Mm-hmm. It's a tie.
I think. Wait, hold on.
Okay, this
Wait.
one's more
Wait.
foreign smelling. Like that. This smells like Asia. This smells
I
like
think I like
Asian.
this one better.
This one smells like those Asian candies. Those flour candies. Yes! It smells like those flour candies.
The one with the rice thing on it.
Mm-mm. Oh my god, I could smell this all day. I'll just put
I
this
like
on my
this
nose.
one.
If I stood next to somebody that farted in the elevator, I would do this.
All
Anyways, okay, this is a little weird, but anyways, I'm going to enjoy my Maui Caramax,
And I'm going to squish my squishies.
and she's gonna continue to clean.
Because my friends are coming over.
Let's do the meh.